Hello everyone, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tip. This week I wanted to talk about building a simple recurring revenue vehicle for your online business. Most importantly, and this is where we're really focusing in on, even though it's only one element of it, you need to build something that people can pay you monthly for. And that might seem like a daunting task if you don't have anything at this point. It's really one of the ways you make use of your regular product releases. And if you keep doing that regular product release, at some point you're going to have enough to put into a membership. That's what you're going to offer, and basically that is your recurring revenue vehicle. You take all of your releases and you're going to put them in one place, and you're going to tell people they can get them all for one price, one monthly price. And so your buyer can pay monthly, and what you're going to do is every time you do a new product release, you put it in the membership. Every time you do a new product release, you put it in a membership. Every time you do a new product release, you put that in a membership. So the people who are paying you monthly, month after month, they're getting access to your new stuff. It's one of the reasons why you want to keep creating new stuff. And eventually, you're going to have 12 months worth of content. 12 months worth of stuff. When you've got that 12 months worth of stuff, you can then take that same offer and you can turn it into an annual offer for the people that want it. And it puts you in a reasonable range to ask for $297. Depending on what the monthly is for your membership. Now, when you have a membership, it's going to be about $27 to $47 in a month. Eventually, you're going to be in the right range where you're going to be able to ask people for $297 every single year. Or in some cases, you could even do something like you give them all access to everything for $397 to $497. But you can't do that until you have enough content in there. And when you can get 12 months in there, if you will continue to do your releases that we talked about earlier, when you're doing your weekly workshop, you've got something to offer on a weekly basis. And when you have that 12 months, you then go to people and say, hey, you know what? If you didn't join me monthly, that's fine. You can pay me annually. If you don't want to pay me annual, you can pay me for everything that I've ever produced, right? And if you would like some help getting started, you might want to check out our strategic marketing framework training that my team put together. You can find that at impc.ws/SMF. Also, be sure to check out our Digital Retirement Rebels Insider Club. You can take a look at that at impc.ws/14day. Okay, everybody, thanks for hanging out with me tonight and have a great night. Take care.